Financial trading systems. Are they for you? Many people are turning to financial trading systems to help them make better trades. But most people believe that only quantitative geeks are capable of creating such systems. If you hold this belief, then we're here to bust that myth. Anyone can implement a trading system given the right set of tools and knowledge. We have reviewed an online course that describes not only how to set up a trading system, but also which tools to use. While it won't give you which trading parameters to use, the course will show you the foundation of setting up a trading system. You'll gain the confidence to see that setting up a trading system isn't as difficult as people believe. The system does require some programming knowledge, but don't worry. Our review points you to a resource that will get you up to speed quickly if you don't have the necessary knowledge. If you don't believe you need to learn programming to implement a trading system, know that most traders who implement systems learn programming. It gives you much more flexibility when developing your system. Flexibility is often what makes the difference between success and failure when implementing trading systems. In the description below, you learn about the strengths and weaknesses of a course about financial trading. Click on that link now to learn more about it.